Very good morning, students. So, in the previous class, we were discussed about a uses of dimensional formulas. See, in that uses, we finished 4 uses as well as the examples also for each use. And in this last use, there is a dimensional formula last use. By using a dimensional methods, by using a dimensional formulas, so the fifth use, dimensional formula can be used to design our own system. So that mean here, our own system in the sense is, see the question he will give you, use the fundamentals. In the question he will give you the physical quantities used as a fundamental and derive any new units. In general we know the fundamentals are MLT, mass, length, time. These are the basic. But usually we have 7 fundamentals, that is, I'll repeat you, mass, length, time, electric current, temperature, matter of quantity, and last one, it is the luminescence intensity. Usually these are the fundamentals. Apart from these 7, in the question he will give you fundamentals, use the fundamentals. Based on that, in the question the given fundamentals we have to use and we have to derive. See, that's what here the question in the use is given, DMF can be used to design our own system. See that nothing but our own system it is. See that the own system is nothing but in the question given like this, one example problem, if the pressure P, velocity V and time T are chosen as the fundamental quantities. Now in this question is given what? Use these are the fundamental, use as the fundamentals, but we know fundamental, basic fundamental that you remember everyone, MLT are the basic fundamental, in that there is no change. But here according to the given question we have to use, because now we are designing our own system. So that in the question is given like use pressure, velocity, time are the fundamentals and find a dimensional formula of a surface tension. Find a dimensional formula of a surface tension, that's what it is. So now surface tension is directly proportional, same process, again you take a same process, that is the solution will be like this. Use your surface tension is the fundamental, is directly proportional to, because the P, V, T are the fundamentals. So that use P, V, T directly proportional. Surface tension is directly proportional to P, V, T. So that the surface tension is equal to some constant. See, in the previous class I told you very clear. So here we should introduce some constant. That constant we can call as a K. Therefore, you take PVT. Right? Again same, for this PVT you take a powers, like you take a power A, like you take a power B, like you take a power C. Right? Therefore, surface tension is equal to K, P power A, B power B, T power C. Now again we have to find A, B, C values. After getting A, B, C, substitute here, then we will get the new system, our own new system, because the question is only given, design our own system, this is the use. So here again you write a dimensional formula for all quantities, say DMF, now you write DMF for all quantities. See, surface tension we know that is actually force per unit length. See, in the tabular form already we know that is there, that is we can say it is m t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula, or we can also say like m L0 t power minus 2 also, no problem. Now let us, you take a remain also, pressure, we know pressure dimensional formula, actually pressure is nothing but m L inverse t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula. Right? And here velocity we know, that is the velocity is L t power minus 1, and you take a time, so time is the fundamental, however it is we can take as a t. You remember that based on the question, here our approach will be there, because the question, in the question use P, V, T are the fundamentals for the surface tension. So he is asking surface tension dimensional formula in terms of PVT. That's what it is, in terms of PVT. Now these all dimensional formula, substitute here. See, let us now, this you say equation 1 and this whole you say equation 2. Now substitute 2 in 1, then surface tension dimensional formula m L power 0 T power minus 2 is equal to K is the constant not required, you leave K and remain you take pressure, that is m L inverse T power minus 2 power A. Same method yesterday in the previous class we did, right? So velocity you take as LT power minus 1 power B and time is you take as a C. Again you write in the same way ml0 T power minus 2 power, that is m power A, you write separate powers, L power minus A T power minus 2A, L power B T power minus B, again T power C, right? And here, so if bases are same, then power is to be added. Now you add powers, like see here only m is there, so right side left side you look at m L power 0 T power minus 2 is equal to, see in the right side here only m is there because only one m is there, you write as m power A. L or 2 are there, so that you take L bases are same, no, then power is to be added minus A plus B, and time you take 3 are there, so that time power minus 2A it is minus B and it is plus C. Again comparisons, power comparison, by taking the power comparison then we will get the ABC values. After getting ABC value, substitute in equation 1, that's all, we will get the new our own system. So here m you take, m power is left side is 1 is there, right side is A value is equal to 1 and you take a L, here left side is power is 0 is there, right side minus A plus B is there. Here A value we know, now you write here, we will get the B value, 0 is equal to minus 1 plus B, it implies, it gives B is equal to 1, this is the B value, and A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. And you take a last one, that is the time you take, here left side is minus 2 is their power and right side is minus 2A minus B plus C. Okay, now here you go through this and get this value by taking this all, that is you substitute here A, B, C value, minus 2 is equal to minus 2, A value is 1, B value also 1 plus C, so minus 2, minus 1 plus C. Here minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3, then you take this side, it is become a plus 3, so plus 3 is equal to C. Therefore what happens, it is minus 2 no, therefore C is equal to 1. This is the A, B, C values. So that in this A, B, C values, now you write here, we will get the surface tension dimensional formula. Okay. Therefore, we may get now A, B, C values. You take A, B, C, substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. So, A power, P power 1, V power 1 and C power also 1. So, that we will get the surface tension dimensional formula. Okay. Here, now I am substituting this A, B, C value in surface tension because based on the question. So, based on the question, the surface tension dimensional formula will be like this. Look at. Now substitute A, B, C value. Now substitute A, B, C in equation 1. Therefore, surface tension, however K is constant, you remove P power 1, V power 1, T power 1. This is the new, our own system. This is the new dimensional formula, DMF. See, by using a PVT as the dimension, PVT as the fundamentals. So, using the PVT as the fundamental, therefore, the surface tension dimensional formula will be P power 1, V power 1, T power 1. So, this is the method to design our own system. Okay, this is the answer now. Fine. So I'll give you second example. You go for a second example. Now I am giving second example. See, like it is again is asking, the question is second example, that is for the design of our own system only. If again P is the pressure is given, you say pressure, okay, P is the pressure and V is the velocity. It's the given question I am giving. T is the time, okay, or taken as fundamentals. You remember, this is taken as fundamental, and find a dimensional formula. Find a dimensional formula DMF. Now force is asking for force. Same method. You take as a same method. Solution you write. Here we can take as F directly proportional, because force is directly proportional to these fundamentals P, V, T. Here force is equal to some constant P, V, T. Same method. You take a P powers, V power and D power. Therefore, K into P power A, V power B, T power C. Again we have to get A, B, C value. After knowing A, B, C value, you substitute in this equation, you will get the new dimensional formula. Right here. So now I am giving. From this, you take a for dimensional formulas for all physical quantities. That is, you say F dimensional formula is, we know, ml T power minus 2, and pressure we know ml inverse T power minus 2, and velocity we know L T power minus 1, time we know T. This dimensional formula you substitute in equation 1. Now I am substitute 2 in 1. So these all values. So ml T power minus 2 is equal to, however constant, no dimensional constant, no dimension, you leave constant and remain you take pressure, that is ml inverse T power minus 2 whole power A. And here velocity we know L T power minus 1 power is B, and time we know T power C. Okay. Now you take ml T power minus 2 is equal to powers m power A, L power minus A, T power minus 2A, and here L power B, T power minus B, T power C. Again look at right side, whatever the bases are same, then powers to be added. Therefore ml T power minus 2 is equal to only m, only 1 is there, alone is there. So remain you take L power minus A plus B and T power minus 2A plus minus B plus C. Now you compare again the power comparisons. You take a power comparisons, that is here M, A is equal to 1, and L you take, that is 1 is equal to minus A plus B, right? And here again you substitute A value here, so that 1 minus 1 plus B. So B is equal to, will get the 2, because minus 1 you take this side, it becomes a plus. And last one, it is a time. Here it is left side is minus 2 is there, and right side is minus 2A minus B plus C. Now you substitute A value, B value in this, then we'll get the C. So that minus 2 is equal to minus 2. A value is 1 plus minus B value is 2 plus C. So that minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus C. So this minus 4 take this side, it is becomes a plus, then we'll get the C value will be like this. That is C is equal to 4 minus 2. So C value is 2. Now substitute A, B, C in equation 1. We'll get the new our own system. We'll get the new our own system, because we are substituting this A, B, C value in this. So that you take this which one, equation 1, F is equal to, K is the dimensional less constant, you leave P power. So A value we know 1, A is 1, therefore power 1, and here velocity V power B is equal to 2 is there, so that you write here 2, and here T power C, C or C value is this. So this is the new, it is a new DMF for force. But you remember, force is the based on the MLT fundamentals, force dimensional formula will be MLT power minus 2 only, but the given question is given is use these are the fundamentals and get a force dimensional formula. So that we are taking the process is to be like this. Okay, this is about our own system, these are the 5 uses. See, it is very important because for the objective type these are the very important uses by using the dimensional methods, because we have 5 dimensional methods, that are the 5, and as well as I was given the each use 1 or 2 example problems, because in the previous class also you check for that each and every use there is a one example problem. Okay, yeah, you go through this. Right. So, these are the 5 uses, and for each use examples or a word. Right. We'll see the next one. See, in this dimensional formulas and units, see, almost this topic is finished. So, now I will give you some example problems, some other problems will do here, because in this chapter problems also very important for 2 marks, right. I will give you some problems. See, the problems you take as a problems, some example problems. So, now I am giving different problems. You take a problems now. Here we are writing now problems. Okay, some other problems. Suppose there is a one question is given like it is, if the equation of state of a gas is expressed, the question is given if the equation of state of a gas expressed as the given is P plus A by V square of V minus B is equal to RT. Here where again is given P is pressure is given, right, and here V is the given as volume, and here T is given as temperature. Okay, and A comma B comma R are the constants. Okay, these are the constants given, small a b and capital R are the constant. Then find, see, DMF, first one in this A and B is asking, and second again is asking second one, find A by B is the question mark, third A into B is asking. This is the question. It is we have to take, say, first of all we have to find A B value, and after that A by B dimension, and after that A B dimension. Multiplication, one is division and one is individual. Again I will explain you. See, the one example problem I am giving in dimensional methods, dimensional formulas. So, the equation of a state of a gas expressed as P plus A by V square of V minus V is equal to RT, where P is the pressure, V is the volume and T is the temperature, and A, B, comma capital R are the constants. Then find a dimensional formula A and B, and A by B is also asking, and is also asking AB. See, this actually equation related to van der Waal equation. See, now by using this expression, now we should get AB value. So, how we will get the AB value? By using this expression. I will tell you here, actually this is related to principle of homogeneity, because in the previous class I told you the principle of homogeneity. So, the principle of homogeneity, once again I will repeat you. See, in a given expression or in a given equation, the only physical quantity can be added, and only can be equated, can be multiplied or can be subtracted. So that you remember, here it is to be added is there and subtracted is there, also equated is there. So according to the principle of homogeneity, if the given physical quantities are dimensionally equal, so that only that can be added, that can be subtracted. Here it is to be added. Therefore, these two physical quantities dimensionally equal, and it is to be subtracted. Therefore, it is also to be dimensionally equal. Then only can be added, can be subtracted, and can also be equated. Remember, this is the principle of homogeneity. Based on the principle of homogeneity, now we have to find AB value. Sir, how will get the AB value? Suppose P is added to A by V square. P is the one physical quantity, A by V square is the another physical quantity. These to be added. See, while adding, is it possible to get a value? Not possible. Not only adding, subtracting also will not get. So, in the principle of homogeneity, in the statement can be added, can be subtracted, can be equated. By adding, you are not getting. Then also suppose if you suppose you subtracted also will not get. But the other is there, that is equated. By equator, then you may get the P value. Let us, by using this equation, now I am taking the solution for this. You take a solution, see, added will not get, then subtracted also will not get, then the other one is there in the principle of homogeneity, equated is there. So, suppose you equal like this, A by V square. Yes. So, we will get the now A dimensional formula. A is equal to P into V square. So, however, we know pressure dimension formula, DMF I am writing now, pressure dimension M L inverse T power minus 2 and volume dimension formula L cube. There you write and get a value, because it is asking AB dimension. So, A is equal to, this is the first bit in this, pressure M L inverse T power minus 2 and volume is L cube square. So, it is M L inverse T power minus 2 L power 6. Bases are same, then power is to be added. So, minus 1 plus 6. So, we will get the plus 5 T power minus 2. This is the A dimensional formula. A dimensional formula. Will you clear? This is about a dimensional formula. Okay? Now, you go for a B dimension. See, now I am getting the B DMF. See, again, here V is subtracted, no? So, while subtracting will not get. Suppose if you had also will not get, then in the principle of homogeneity, equate is there. So, that you equal V is equal to B. What is the volume dimensional formula? L cube. So, that B is equal to also L cube. That is what I am telling. If the quantities in a given expression, if the quantities are dimensionally equal, that is what you say, it is subtracted, no? Volume L cube only, then B also L cube only. See, in a given an expression, if the quantities are dimensionally equal only, then we can add, we can subtract and we can equate. So, that is what here is added and here it is to be subtracted. Now, we know A dimensional formula, B dimensional formula. This is the first bit is over. Then you go for a second bit, is asking what? A by B is asking. So, you take a second solution, that is A by B is asking, no? Then A is, we know, ML power 5, T power minus 2. You write here ML power 5, T power minus 2 by L cube, because A by B we are getting. Now, we are finding the A by B. So, that A by B is equal to, we can say like this, L cube is it is a denominator is there, no? You take numerator, it is becomes negative sign will get. Again the bases are same, then power is to be added, 5 minus 3 L square T power minus 2. This is the A by B dimensional formula. See, this is equal to what's work, or we can say energy, because ML square T power minus 2 is related to work or energy. This is the second bit. Now, he is also asking third one. The third you take. Now, I am giving third AB multiplication. So, now multiply A and B. So, A we know, that is AB is equal to A is M L power 5 T power minus 2 times L cube. So, the bases are same again. Here bases are same, no? Power should be added, T power 8 T power minus 2. This is the AB dimensional formula. See, this is the one problem which is very, very important. Actually, this expression related to van der Waals equation. So, the van der Waals equation is related to chemistry. So that by using dimensional method, we are finding a b value as well as a by b, and multiply a and b also. This is a one example problem related in dimensional methods or dimensional formulas, because we are using the homogeneity, principle of homogeneity. Okay, now you go through this. Right. So, you note down this and you go through this and refer materials and refer Telugu Academy textbooks. Right. If you have a material, then you go through the material, college material, then it is very useful to you. Okay, this is the today's class. Thank you very much.